Okay, good afternoon. So we are in the Italian office and we're going to have a presentation about a new product that we developed for remote support.
Yep.
And I'll ask some questions, but I'll give the word to Francesco to introduce the product.
Okay.
And your colleague is
Stefano.
Stefano. Okay, Stefano. And okay, so tell us a little bit about the background and how long time developed and what is this all about? It's all yours.
This project started with Arco and is based on two different actors. There is the senior actor, that is the guy that stays at the office with high expertise. And then we got the junior actor. The junior is the guy that stays on the fields and got low expertise. So basically this system is made in order to improve the communication with these two different actors.
Yep.
And it's based on a video chat communication.
Okay.
Where a senior can support the junior on field through this channel. And so what you're gonna see there is the senior backend, where you can basically manage all the junior guy and create specific rooms for people meeting it. And on the other side, you got a tablet, and you got smart glasses. So basically this goes in bundle. And if I am a junior, I can rely myself just on the tablet or just with the Vuzix or both of them. They are independent. And the basic version of this application is very simple, and depending on the different clients, they ask them for specific personalization, adding specific feature, depending on their business. And we realized that the possibility to create this piece of personalization for the client, they really like it, because they always have a specific need to attend. Could be integrating with a ticketing service inside a company, or emitting reports, any kind of thing. Naturally, this application could evolve. We are not using Vuzix as a smart glass, but we are planning also to provide Magic Leap view as well. So how we can enter into a room? We got a senior. The senior just decided to create and open a room. Stefano, can go inside this one. And so it's going to create a specific room for, having a place where senior guy and junior guy can be together. So he just created this room, and you just decide to enter in this room. At the same time, I can open this very simple menu where I can choose the different rooms. I will choose the last one, and once I do that, I just enter into the room. So I am inside. I should show up. I'm not in the right room?
Yes.
Sorry, I just put the wrong one. That's the right one. Sorry about that. So, I am in the right room, and here I am. Now I put mute, and so I'm just using this tablet that's going around, and I can also naturally choose the kind of camera I want to use, depending if it's a rear camera or front camera. I can write text, I can send images, I can, do different kind of things. I can share the screen. The typical things are about, Hangout and any kind of communication tool we also use in these days, like Zoom as well. And I can also enter into the room with a Vuzix. And actually, the way to enter is very simple. Just have to just turn it on. You just have to turn it on. And once you turn it on, just enter into the room. You're in.
Okay.
So the point is that we realize that people that stays on the field, they need very simple tools. They don't have to think. They just have to use it. So it's really good that the only thing you have to do with the Vuzix is turn it on. Then you just enter into the room. And this is very good. And naturally, as a field guy, I can choose, for example, I can turn off the tablet, and then I can use the Vuzix. They are interdependent. And this is really good as well, depending on the scenario and the situation. Some people in some scenarios, probably they want to use just the tablet. In other scenario, you want to have hand free and you want to use the Vuzix. Eon-Xr are good because they are very resistant, and for especially for industrial needs. But probably there will be scenarios when people want a more, more powerful visualization to the device, like for example Magic Leap. So that's why we are thinking to, provide also the Magic Leap visual and Vista. And that's the system basically. And,
Okay.
it's open to any integration.
Excellent. I have some questions.
Yeah, backend, we showed backend before. So, the
Yeah.
senior entrance. This is the video chat. We can just turn off the session. I can just leave the room, clicking here. And the good things is that, as you can see here, we call it just another customer. Basically, you can manage all your customer, saying that you have, like, for example, 50 different clients, and each of these clients have different union. You can manage all these people. But
And it's one-to-one, right?
It's one-to-one, but you can put in
Multiple
the
channels.
rooms also more people if you want.
Okay.
So it's depending on the situation. There are some clients that want to put 20 people inside the same room.
And you can have that. So you can
Yes.
have 20 people that are basically seniors and one junior.
Exactly, but also some clients want to put different roles inside the system. So we are planning to create these new roles for these new clients. That's every new client, every new experience they want to, you want to have this add-on inside the system. We just get them, we put them, and we use them if useful. So
Okay.
the way it evolves is always based on the specific needs our client asks us.
Excellent. So a few comments. First of all, guys, excellent job. I'm impressed. I have a lot of technology questions, but I think we'll save them. So what is this is based, underlying, etc.
Sure.
But what I see this could link. Did you see the Remotech project that we're doing for Singapore?
We saw
Yeah.
time ago, but we had no chance to dive in.
Nice. So I think they presented at the sales call about 2 weeks ago. So I think this is the perfect one to launch. We shouldn't do anything else. We should just make it ready and have it also in Italian and English, because we can market this globally. So we need to think a little bit how to integrate it. But I think this is so I will send this video today to Jan and to our team there, Farid, and also to the sales team. But the next consideration, because we got this big project for Singapore, is they put anchor points, because now you can do, so let's say you are the worker, so you can actually get an anchor point sent by the senior, and that anchor point will contain information that a drawing or something AR assist, and that can be dynamic, but it can also be that you go for an inspection and you create an anchor point that this thing is broken, and then someone else comes in and fix it. So I think that's one. And the other one would be to add this capability to make a mark. So you make a mark, you can make the mark, and then it appears on your view superimposed. So basically it links to that geometry. So that will be version 2 or version subsequent. But I think the basic functionality that I see here is, I love the simplicity. I like that the people don't have to be rocket scientists to run this. And I think that's quite successful. And it's a nice package. Have you think about pricing and how to license it or not?
Well, it's based on, you're better than me on that because you're more on the commercial part. But we sell it on DevOps solution. So basically we sell a package. The idea is to sell a package where the client can test the core functionalities and can ask for improvement depending on the specific needs. So basically we always do the rule of 80-20. 80% is the core,
generic.
the 20 is the personalization, and it works. The idea is to based on licenses naturally in order to